Hi guys!
Hey, today join us. We have 21 sales heading out this weekend. 15 on eBay, 4 on Poshmark, and 2 on Mercari. So we're super grateful. Check out what we sold. There's some good stuff that you're gonna
Die.
you're gonna get your socks knocked off. Okay, first going out is one of our better sales of the weekend, and you'll remember us finding this on a recent short that we did at a Goodwill, and we found this Toilevator TV 300 model toilet base riser for $74.99, and they paid just about the same in shipping. So this right here is a $150 item. When you find that out in the wild, that may not happen, but we were lucky.
Toilevator.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna, scan stuff like this, especially if it's brand new in the box. I mean, look what happened once we did. We were super grateful that that sold, and didn't take too long either. Pretty sweet. And next going out on eBay is this 1986 Universal City Studios Frankenstein rubber coin bank. Now this is, I know, this is something that I literally had when I was a kid. I put change in this thing, and I just decided, hey, I'm really not that attached to material things anymore. I just want to get rid of things. Let the other collectors enjoy this stuff. Now this I'm going to find in Bin B, and that went for $20.09 plus shipping. Now Bin B is right over here. Okay, so here it is. Nice little coin bank, Frankenstein. Think of our Frankenboxing.
Is it plastic or metal or what?
It's plastic.
It's plastic. Cool.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, another fun collectible that went out on eBay. Now, when you see our custom SKU, I like to tell you how that works if you want to follow along, because this is going to tell us how long that these sold. Now, the first number that you see there is 0623. Now, that means I listed it in June of 2023, so it's been sitting around for about 7 months on eBay. The next letter is B, and that's the bin that we found it in back there. So we know where to find it when it sells. And the next number is 158. Now, that's basically probably an average cost of goods at the time. That's how the custom SKU works for me, and gives me insights on how long things will sell. Do I want to sell this again or not? This one in particular, I would pick it up again, absolutely. Next going out is a 2-pack of Philips Avent Slow Flow Anti-Colic Bottle Nipples for 1 month plus. These went for $602 free shipping. We found these also in a short probably about 6 months ago, where we went to, I think we found these at a flea market. And we had a quantity of these, and they finally sold out, I believe. So they're sitting in here in bin L2. There we go. Right here. All right, those aren't going to cost much to ship anyway. I mean, $4. Hopefully it's close, so we don't have to pay as much for shipping. Now, also over in this area in Bin D, you'll remember us finding this again in another YouTube short at Goodwill. It might even be the same one as that one we found the Toilevator in. This is a vintage Paragon Needlecraft Disney Pluto Cruel Stitchery kit. So cross-stitching, all those kits, you remember us finding and selling those really fast. Some of them, the subject matter is key there. So you want to find stuff with cool photos on it, basically, like this, of course, ever popular Disney character Pluto. So this was a no-brainer to pick up, and we got $14.73 plus shipping for that. So not bad.
Yay!
Not bad at all. Probably paid like $1 for it.
The family's here. Just wanted to say hello to everybody. The usual suspects.
Yeah, right. McSniffin Lake and Luna. All right. So also over here, going out on eBay in bin L, is a vintage Adesso Sport fanny pack. So we got a retro.
We love fanny packs.
Oh, I know.
We sell a lot of them.
I know, they're just so fun to find. I mean, if you ever wore one of these back in the day, you know why they're probably so popular.
Yeah.
Especially these ones that are neon colors.
Easy to spot.
Yeah, easy to spot, easy to list, store, and ship. Yeah. And for this, we got $14.73 free shipping. But this, doesn't weigh anything less than 4 ounces, so it's not going to cost much once again. And we, all these like uneven numbers, we probably put most of these on sale. That's what that means. So we have a big sale going on. I have like 33% on eBay. Honey got probably 25-30% on Poshmark going on right now.
Even 35% on some things.
Yeah, I mean, we're just taking offers because why not? Let's get rid of this stuff and get some new items in there. Now, this actually went out on Poshmark, so it sort of pays to cross-list because, I mean, this right here was sitting on eBay for about a year now, I see, by the SKU, and it went for, let's see, $10 on Poshmark, I think. But this is a AT&T 210 basic trimline corded telephone, so it's one that you would like probably stick on your wall back in the day, and it's got the cord and everything. Very nostalgic, and people still have landlines, so we need those. Now that we'll find in bin N over here, that went for $10. Once again on Poshmark, where you don't think you would want to list old telephones.
No.
You know, when you think, I know, when you think Poshmark, you think clothing for the most part.
Yeah.
But that has not been the case. We've used List Perfectly now for quite some time to get all of these eBay type items over onto Poshmark and Mercari, and we've been getting really good sales because of it. So we definitely recommend that, getting your cross listing done. Luna recommends it too.
They all got a nose bump from Luna. That means I love you.
Right. All right, so now we have two items going on in Mercari, and both of them are in this area over here in bin H2, which is, let's see, right over here.
Right over here by Elmer.
Oh, do you know what? H2 is actually in the other room. It was fairly empty, so that's what I'm throwing my new listings in.
Oh, okay.
So, but anyway, it is a lot of 12 different Paw Patrol pups. So these are little action figures from that, you know, pretty popular TV show. And these went for $12.99 plus shipping. So, you know, around $1 a piece. Now, I probably found these in the Goodwill bins and paid next to nothing for them, you know, by weight. So, definitely a good pickup here. So, over here as well, in bin M2, we have a Reebok Philadelphia Flyers NHL hockey t-shirt. That went on Mercari for, let's see, $9 plus shipping. So, not so bad. I mean, a really easy shirt to list. And let's see, once again, M2, which is over here. It's the orange one.
Oh, well, that was easy to spot.
Right?
Ooh.
There we go. All set to go there.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's talk about some movies that sold. Just about every one of these videos, you'll see me, you'll see us pulling a bunch of movies, and because we sell lots of media, it's so easy to store, so easy to research, list, ship, all that. So it may not be big profits, but the thing is it's nice filler, and we're already heading to the post office. And all you gotta do is throw it in a bulk mailer. So here we go. We actually have one CD going out, Lost Highway. Now, if you remember this movie by David Lynch, your mind is probably messed up from watching it because it's just so strange. You know David Lynch if you do. This soundtrack has some really great songs by like Smashing Pumpkins and Nine Inch Nails.
Cool.
Really, really good album. Yes. Also, let's see, Ghost Hunters. This is like a partial series or a partial season. And of course, if you like those ghost hunting shows, you like to have these physical media parts so you can watch them at any time, you know?
I love ghost hunting shows.
I know, they're so much
fun.
Right? I know.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, my daughter Kai and I, we watch those all the time. Especially Ghost Adventures.
Yes.
I like that one. So now some more movies going out. We have a lot of 3 Disney movies. Now these are classics. You know all these: Sleeping Beauty, 101 and Dalmatians, and Bambi. I think this went out for around $11 or so, free shipping. So these are better on Blu-ray, but if you can get like a nice collection of the classics, Disney classics, pick them up. Probably be able to flip them really quick. Here's another animation movie, Mr. Peabody and Sherman. Another modern kids movie, and another modern kids movie, the Lego Movie, second part. So this was actually brand new and sealed still. Again, these didn't go for a whole lot of money, but we're already heading to the post office, and we are fueling people's collections still, so we like that. Okay, now let's head over here. We have a few interesting items. So if you have been following us lately, you know that we love to buy candy.
Yes!
Now, and hey, this stuff is selling already. So this one is actually from something we got in a retail arbitrage video about Easter candy. And this was the Queen and Cordial Cherries Cherry Cola. So check these out. No, this was the Christmas retail. I'm sorry, the Christmas arbitrage that we went to Walmart and got a bunch of this stuff. One of these is finally sold. We sold the other flavor out. That went pretty quick. And this went for $10.04, free shipping, on sale. So not a huge deal there. But, okay, this one you're going to remember us finding in a very recent video. We were just there. You just saw this. It's a lot of 2 Lindt Lindor strawberries and cream white chocolate truffles.
Wait till you guys get a load of this.
Yeah, so we got... we've sold a lot of 2 of those for $29.99. And those are in the food for bin.
$29.99 for 2 bags of candy?
Especially when these were only, you know, like $7 or something to start with. You know, so these sort of doubled in price. You know, that's what somebody was willing to pay for them after Valentine's Day. So make sure to check out that Valentine's Day retail arbitrage video if you haven't already. And yeah.
It's sweet.
We're already starting to make sales on it.
You missed my funny joke. I mean, I thought it was funny.
It's
I said it was sweet.
Of course. Oh my
it.
gosh, I get it
Funny.
now. I get it now. That's hilarious.
Our Valentine's video was sweet.
It sure was, babe.
Yeah.
So make sure all you guys check out that sweet video. And okay, over here as well, we have something going out, guys, that, like I said, it's gonna knock your socks off, because Michelle brought home some vintage packages of socks one day, and I knew they were vintage, but I did not know they were worth this much. Okay, so there's 3 packages of vintage socks, and one sold earlier in the week. Now that was a package of Hanes Her Way with a pink toe, you know, and pink lettering. Those, they just don't make them anymore, right? So those sold for $80, guys, plus shipping. Okay, and that was like that. Okay, I cross-listed them, and they didn't even have a chance on those other platforms. They sold right away. $80 for a package of socks.
We were laughing out loud. Sorry, we were laughing out loud. We could not believe it. And I didn't know. I just knew that they were in a package, and, you know, that there's a value in them somewhere. But anyway.
Right, yeah. I mean, socks in general, you know, we buy underwear, we buy socks. I mean,
yeah.
That's just...
Most people
everybody.
wear them. Most people.
Just about everybody. So, you know, even if they're new, you know, people still buy those. But these vintage ones, guys, you can't find them anywhere else. And if those are your favorite socks, you got to pay up for them, because there's just not around much anymore.
Yeah, but wait, there's more, right?
There is more, right? Okay, so that was earlier in the week that those sold. Now here are another example of some vintage socks. Okay, now you found 2 of these, and we're so very grateful, because they both sold within a day of listing them. And these are a package of 6 tube socks, Champion tube socks. Now these are the ones that like go over your calf. They're like, you know, like super vintage looking. So not surprising that these were even more, you know, desirable than say like the crew sock or like the ankle sock or something like that. Oh my gosh, guys. Now leave a comment down in the video here with your first guess of what these sold for and how surprised you are at what they actually sold for. So do that real quick. And okay, guys, both of these packages went for $119.99 plus shipping. 2 of these packages right here. So, whoa, guys!
2, meaning one went for this price and the other one went for the same price. So
Yeah.
the total of the 2 together
is like $240 plus shipping just for these 2 packages of socks. Not to mention the $80 package that sold just a couple of days ago. That's like $300 worth of socks. I'm not sure what you paid for this, honey, but I don't think it was much.
Oh, I only pay about maybe $2.
$2 for these, like maybe $6 to $10 for the bicock.
I honestly didn't know that they were vintage. Like, sorry, hi. I didn't know that they were vintage like that. I just knew that, I don't know, maybe there were some guys with some big feet or something, because they look like they went up really high on the leg. I don't know.
Yeah, well, you have a very good eye there, and of course, you know, we pick up brand new, you know, modern pairs of socks to sell to you because they sell. But little did we know, I knew they were vintage because I had like the same sort of like logo socks in the 90s. I totally remember these. I did not know they were worth that much though.
No, so, I know. And I have to say with him, it was just, it's one of those times where this being in this business is just so exciting and so fun. You know what I mean? It's one of those days that like motivate you to keep going when you're like, man, things are kind of poopy lately. And then you find these crazy socks and you're just like, okay, thank you, universe. We're on the right track.
I know, right? Oh my gosh, so grateful.
So grateful. Sorry.
Totally.
Sorry, thank you for the monologue.
We are very grateful for each and every sale, whether it's, the $6 movies or these $120 pair of socks. We're helping people find what they need, and we're happy for that. And if we get to make a living doing it, even better. Oh my gosh. Now, another thing that's sold on Poshmark is this Monopoly board game. So Star Wars, the Clone Wars. This is actually, it's not sealed, but the pieces inside are still sealed. So it's like sort of like an open box, you would say. That one on Poshmark for, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, Poshmark. Sorry. $10 plus shipping. So again, not the craziest sale, but we love getting rid of it and helping others. Somebody's gonna have fun one night.
Somebody's gonna have a great time that loves Star Wars, and if they have kids who eat them or feed the dog the bits, it's no big deal.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly. So that's it for down here, guys. Let's go upstairs in Michelle's Attic of Wonders and check out the last 3 items that are going out today.
My Attic of Wonders. Our Attic of Wonders, I should say. I don't know what's up here. So you're gonna have to...
All right, so the long journey up here, we are gonna go and look in bin Q4 for this Figs Technical Collection black scrub pants.
Q4.
And these went on eBay actually. Here's Q4 right here.
Oh really? Yep. Oh my gosh, I have had these on Poshmark for at least a year. A year or so I've had these up. Okay. Oh, the Figs black?
Yes.
Extra small.
Yes, and those went for $12.72 plus shipping on eBay.
Well, they're an extra small size too, so sometimes it makes it a little tougher to sell them, but...
Oh, no doubt,
yeah.
All right, so next in bin K, we have an Adika Black and Blue Flames sweater. Now, this thing's pretty cool looking.
I just picked this up. It is so cute, and I contemplated keeping it for myself because it had these really cool blue flames on it. Yeah, really fuzzy, really cute, really fun.
Yeah, super cool. And that went for $24 on Poshmark.
Hey, I want to just mention something real quick. I actually found a picture on the internet of the girl actually modeling this sweater. So I actually borrowed it, cut off the model's head so nobody would know who she was because she's not getting paid for being on my my cross-listing stuff. But yeah, and it sold so fast. So if you can find a stock picture of what you have, try to grab it. And like I said, just cut off the head part of it. But it helps me sell clothes if I have a stock picture.
Nice. All right, so next going out, we have this Operations Mercer Street, New York. Black and brown trench raincoat.
This is a really unique piece. It was difficult for me to write about it because I've never seen anything else like it. This is like one of those oil treated trench coats with this amazing leather belt around it and these beautiful sort of like faux vintage buttons. It's an incredibly unique piece. And it went for a great price, and I know that this woman is dying to get this piece because it's fabulous.
Yeah, right. $33 on Poshmark you took an offer for.
That was a steal.
I would say that's a really nice looking trench coat.
Very unique.
Yeah,
yes.
Very cool. So we want to say, guys, congratulations when you have a really great weekend of sales and are able to send all these great items out to these customers that are waiting for them and are going to add them to the collection, going to start wearing them, whatever. We congratulate you.
And we hope you find the vintage gym socks.
Oh my gosh, yeah, keep an eye out for those, right? Oh my gosh. Take care, guys.
Bye, guys.
Next time, that's up to you.